Well, the Malone twins play in Lincoln Park. Their mom weighs today's warning about the Delta variant.
We need to all band together and do what we can to make sure that we and our family, our children, are safe.
So what about children and the Delta variant? Dr. Anthony Fauci addressing the issue on CBS this morning.
So it isn't that they are more susceptible, but this virus is a more transmissible virus.
Right.
Therefore, children will more likely get infected.
There are 84 Delta variant cases in Illinois, according to state health officials, and most of them, 70 cases, are in Chicago. Concerns are growing because the Delta variant is more transmissible. New studies tracked by the World Health Organization show people who get the Delta variant are more likely to use oxygen, go to ICUs, even die. And another study shows the Delta variant is 1.23 times more transmissible than the Alpha variant, which makes up more than 6,000 cases in Illinois right now.
The rate is more than one, which is to say, one person is going to spread it to more than one person. It's going to grow and grow.
Dr. Allison Bartlett, a University of Chicago pediatrics infectious disease expert, says parents should still focus on outdoor activities, wearing masks, and social distancing until more is known.
Even with this Delta variant, as far as we know, we have not seen a huge change in the number or rate of kids getting seriously ill with COVID.
Back at the playground,
I try to stay my distance.
but still try to have fun?
Yes.
And parents here say part of the solution is having a vaccine approved for younger children.
It's interesting. I'm just trying to keep up with what's new developing, and then when we're allowed to vaccinate the children.
A vaccine may provide relief for parents. For kids,
Have fun with other kids, knowing that I won't get the virus.
in Lincoln Park, Stacy Baca, ABC7 Eyewitness News.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.